guys, it's Jamie with Loving All Seasons and welcome to my channel. Today we have a Shop With Me Rae Dunn and haul. I went a little mug crazy just to let you know the TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and I think Home Goods are doing huge markdowns. For sure TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So today is Friday the 11th. I went out yesterday, stopped in the stores after work on Thursday, and just tons of markdowns. And I'll tell you, my stores had tons of Rae Dunn marked down. So if you're interested in some pieces that you wanted, but you were like, maybe I'll wait, this is the time. Go check out your stores. And I think what they do is these big markdowns are before the new holidays. So they're trying to push out the rest of the season, which would be summer, and then getting things ready for the fall. And I know we're all excited about the fall decor. So I'll see you back here right after the shop with me and we'll go over what I purchased. Look what's in my store. I don't really like it though. The cookie jar. It's just not that cute. But they have two of them here. This is super cute. That's really cute. I don't know what it is. It's a canister. I got two of them. And they still have these. You guys, look at these. Look at the edging. The tops. And then look at this. Okay, what do you guys think of those? I would show you guys this. Look at all the Rae Dunn that's on sale in my store. So I'm in Home Goods. This is new. I have never seen that. Isn't that pretty? Look at these. Stay. I think they all say stay. Yep. I think this might be night. Oh, that's a return. Okay. Look, they have a home in this pretty, that's the same as the stay. I got America with the red. I got these, the king. So, what do you think? Couple new little items that 4th of July dish, cooking dish. Why can't I think? Loaf pan. Thank you. Remember I had saw the small ones, the mini ones a while ago, and I had put that in one of my videos. Today I saw the new one. What else was new that we saw? Oh, the cookie jar. Comment below, Rae Dunn lovers. What do you think of the cookie jar? I'm not loving it. I think that they could have done a cookie jar a lot better, or to look better than what they did. Because I've seen truck cookie jars and I loved them. This one, not so much. But comment below, let me know what you think of that cookie jar. So like I said, I went mug crazy. And once again, make sure you guys check out your stores for those clearance. I'm a clearance shopper. I love getting things on sale. That's my favorite thing. Or just feeling like I got a really good deal. So, with the mugs that I got, I'll start with the Father's Day mugs. I bought a couple, which I don't know if I'm going to keep them all. 2 of them were for my husband. 1 is for my father. This one is the Cool Dad, and it's a matte finish. I know it looks black on here, but you guys, it's beautiful. It's a navy. It's dark, deep. Of course, it's $5.99. This one was at Home Goods, and I just feel like it is just a beautiful mug. And, you know, I may end up keeping both. I can put these also in my 4th of July basket, or, you know, display it with that. The other one I got, because I saw this on one shop, then this one, Super Dad, and this is beautiful, just beautiful. It's blue. It's that semi-gloss. Sorry if you hear squeaking in the background. That's Wolfgang. He's playing with his toy. At least he's not barking, right? So this is just gorgeous. $5.99. This one was also Home Goods. Found both of those there, and those are going to be from my sons to my husband. So the next one is Papa Knows Best. It's that beautiful gray. I gotta tell you, I love this gray. I wish I had more gray mugs, but you know, I don't. And I figured this will be a nice little gift to add to my dad's gift card that I'm going to give him. And that's what my sons call them. Oh, that's a matte finish also. Now, I found one more. I didn't show this in the video because this was by itself. Now, I don't know if this is an old mug or if this is new, but look at, I was so excited because I've been looking for the ones that are grills, like for the Father's Day with the grill on it. I can't find it. I really wanted that for my husband because he loves grilling, smoking, all those things. But when I found this, I was so excited, and it says The Brave in red, and then that beautiful flag on the back. I love this mug. So I was really excited. But I think I'm done with the Americana and like 4th of July type mugs. I could not find any of the canisters. None. Not one came into our stores. And if they did, someone snagged them and they're gone. Pajama dress code. I love that. It's pink on the inside. And I think I've seen this one before and didn't pick it up. But I was thinking, you know, I'm starting to get a lot of like with pink on the inside. And around Mother's Day next year on my coffee bar, I can put all these up. But I just thought that was really cute. $5.99. This one was Home Goods. Oh, by the way, this was Marshall's. That was at Marshall's. So I don't know if Home Goods will get it, but last but not least, I finally found it. I've seen it in the black. They, in my stores, just now got it in the pink. Or people have snagged them up before I could get to it. Chaos Coordinator. Sometimes don't we all feel like that? I know I do most of the time. And this was Home Goods, but it's that pink. It's like almost, I think, the same pink. So I think it'll be really cute, but I got a feeling this is going to be one of my favorite mugs. Yeah, I love it. So that is it. It was just mugs this week. I think I'm going to slow down on purchasing any more Rae Dunn unless I find a really good deal on some of the clearance, or I'm kind of waiting. I have a couple gift cards that I've been holding on to for Halloween and fall Rae Dunn stuff. So really excited for that. And that's about it. Oh, I got, coming up, I'm going to have my Americana kitchen area. So, you know, it's funny how at least I do this. I don't know about you guys. I have one thing in my head, like how I want to decorate, and then I end up going a totally different route. And that's kind of what I did in the kitchen. I wanted to do the hot dogs, the ice cream, that type of, but I couldn't find enough stuff. So I went with what I had, and then I was going to sprinkle the red and blue and white throughout the house. But you know what? I think I like right now the light and simpleness in the living room of the yellow. Just the pops of yellow throughout and just real light and airy, because fall comes, it's on. There's going to be, you know, leaves and all kinds of pumpkins and just lots of stuff. So right now I want to just keep it light and airy. And so the kitchen's got the bright in-your-face colors, the red, white, and blue, and then the rest is just the pops of yellow. And then my everyday colors, my neutrals, my browns, my grays, you know, things like that. But make sure you guys give me the big thumbs up and comment below. Like I said, let me know what you think of that cookie jar. Do you guys like it? Would you have bought it? Would you have bought it when I saw it, or would you leave it there? Make sure you subscribe. You want to hit that bell. You don't want to miss anything. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Be kind to one another. Love one another. See you later.